you ready for the Beat the Teacher Challenge? Let's go. First, let's review. So, clap, 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 right, left, right. Clap, grab the cup, move. Repeat. Clap, 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 right, left, right. Clap, grab, move. Repeat. Clap, 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 right, left, right. Clap, grab, move. Repeat. Clap, 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 right, left, right. Clap, grab, move. That's the first part. Ready for the second part? Here we go. Clap, grab with your right hand. Now make sure you grab the cup from the side, okay? Because if you grab it from the top, your palms is gonna go against your hand, and that's not what you want, okay? So grab it with your right hand. We clap, grab with the right hand. We tap our left palm, table. So clap, grab, palm, table. Clap, grab, palm, table. And then this is the hard part. So let's practice switching hands. You're going to very lightly touch your cup. Okay, so touch your cup, left and forth. You're lightly grabbing it from the sides, just like that. Clap, grab, tap, down, switch, crisscross. Clap, grab, tap, table, switch, crisscross. Clap, grab, tap, table, switch, crisscross. There you go. Now, from the very beginning, from the top. Clap, clap, right, left, right. Clap, grab, move. Clap, grab, tap, down, switch, crisscross. Clap, 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 right, left, right. Clap, grab, move, rest. Clap, grab, tap, table, switch, hands, crisscross. Repeat, repeat. Clap, 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 right, left, right. Clap, grab, move, rest. Clap, grab, tap, down, switch, hands, crisscross. Repeat. Clap, grab, tap, down, switch, crisscross. Again. Clap, 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 right, left, right. Clap, grab, move, rest. Clap, grab, tap, down, switch, crisscross, rest. Clap, 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 right, left, right. Clap, grab, move, rest. Clap, grab, tap, down, switch, crisscross, rest. Clap, right, left, right. Clap, grab, move, rest. Clap, grab, tap, down, switch, crisscross. Leave in the comments below if you were able to beat the teacher. Thank you.